Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set 4 outstanding tricks in Realme. So if you are a Realme user, then this video only for you. So let's get started this tutorial. First we need to go settings. So go to settings here, and then we need to go home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, so here you can see this picture. Okay, just click here and scrolling down, and you are seeing the double tap lock. Okay, this is turn on. Okay, initially it will turn off, so you have to turn on. When you finishing turn on, then go to uh, home page in your phone, then click twice on the display, then your phone will be locked. Okay, this is the first tips. And second tips, again we need to go settings, and this is the second one. You can see notification and status bar. Okay, so click here notification and status bar, then here you can see show battery percentage on status bar. Click here. When you click here, there is 3 option. Okay, inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, do not display. And you are seeing that in my phone battery icon, and right top corner there is no percentage here. There is there is not showing percentage. So if you want to set percentage inside the button icon, then the percentage come inside. Okay, 26%. And if you keep the percentage outside the battery, then choose middle, then you can see that 26% charge. And if you don't want to show the percentage in your battery, then simply click do not display. Okay, this is the great tips. So friend, uh, our third tips for this video, again go to settings. Okay, you are seeing the settings home page, then go to face and password. Face and password. Click here face and password. Then here you are seeing app lock. Scroll down, app lock, private safe and kids space. So when you click app lock, then they want password. Okay, initially it wants creating a new password from you, so you have to create password. It is easy, then confirm, then you will get the interface of this section. So I have already created password, that's why simply they want password, so I input password. Then you will see the apps, all install app in your phone. So does not need any third party apps from Google Play Store. Okay, so just if you are a Realme user, then choose this section app lock. Then if you want to lock any specific apps, just simply click. Okay, I want to lock Chrome, then click Chrome, and I want to lock Drive, then click Drive. So after choosing your selection, then simply click lock 6. So I have already lock. Okay, then use. So I don't want to choose, but they also set it. Okay friend, so this is my third uh, tips in this video. And finally last tips for this video is, finally go to settings, and you are seeing notification and status bar. Okay, so real-time network speed. Okay, I think you are seeing real-time network speed. This section is related to showing percentage of your internet speed. When you turn on, then you are seeing uh, beside Wi-Fi connection left side, you are seeing the speed of internet. Okay, so they give exact, sometimes they give exact percentage, so you can use. I think you got a helpful video from this tutorial. So today is no more, guys. I hope you are well. So take care. Bye bye.